Hi, it's Tom Payne, Homebridge Financial in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I'd like to talk about open houses. We've had great success with open houses. Not only when I sit open houses as the lender, but with the real estate agents that I work with. Here's a thought I'd like you to think about. When you're doing open houses, sit in a neighborhood of homes that have a price range of around $250. The next day, the following week, sit in a neighborhood of $350,000 homes, plus or minus. And then be bold, and sit in $1 million home. You need to balance the various homes, the price ranges. It's certainly going to attract a different buyer each time, but typically when one market is cold, another market will be hot. And this way, you're balancing buyers that you might be able to work with, $250,000, $350,000, $1 million, and then track the results you get. Don't be afraid to ask for names, maybe a phone number, an email address. Some buyers, potential buyers, will freely give you that information, others won't. But think of a way you might be able to follow up with them. Give them a sign-in sheet, not only so that you might be able to capture some of that information, but ask them for feedback about the house they're viewing. What do they like about it? What do they not like about it? You can come up with some great questions. You don't have to ask many, maybe 3 or 4 questions. You don't want to keep them there too long or make them feel like you're just stringing them for information. But open houses can be very, very successful if you're consistently doing them. They're so inexpensive, it only takes your time and a few open house signs. I'm Tom Payne, Homebridge Financial, 702-303-0243.